Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J, and on this channel we do home decor and a lot of shop with me videos. So if that interests you in any way, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. My name over there is myjessicaj, or you can click the link down below. Okay, today I have an exciting video for you guys. I'm excited for this video because it's gonna be my first time going to a certain place. You guys already know what it is if you read the title. We're going to H&M Home. I cannot wait. I've been trying to go there for a while now, and I really want to go to see if they have any nice fall home decor items. So I'm bringing you guys along with me. But before we go, I need to eat because I'm trying not to eat out as much, and I'm trying to stay on track with my healthy eating. And I want to thank Factor for sponsoring this portion of the video. Factor is the #1 ready-to-eat meal delivery service. Their meals are created by chefs and they're dietitian approved. Sometimes I don't have the time to make a healthy meal for lunch or even dinner sometimes, so they really have been coming in clutch. They have meal plans ranging from 4 to 18 meals per week. You can add or reduce the number depending on your specific needs. You can easily modify your delivery days and food preferences. They have meals geared towards your keto lifestyle. If you're low carb, low calorie, pescatarian, plant-based, you name it, they have it. All their meals are free of hormones, GMOs, and refined sugar. So you know that you're getting the best stuff. Your order is delivered fresh to your door. It's never frozen along the way. You just heat it up in the microwave or the oven for a few minutes and it's ready to eat. So if I have a little extra time, I actually like to plate mine. Just makes me feel a little bit, fancier. So this is the Peruvian shrimp bowl with red pepper, cauliflower grits. Okay, it smells amazing. I'm also gonna add a little bit of cilantro because I love cilantro, and some tomato. And there you have it. Let's do a little taste test. You know what? I haven't had shrimp that fresh in a very long time. It tastes so fresh. If you're busy like me and you need a little extra help in the kitchen or with your health and fitness goals, you guys can just click the link in my description box. Use my code MyJessica90 to save $90 off your first 3 weeks, plus free shipping. Okay, time to go shopping. Okay, I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging. I'm gonna do a reaction style video so we can watch this together. H&M Home, I am so excited to finally see what this store is all about. First impression, looks good. Everything looks pretty good. Okay, I feel like they're ready for fall. They're getting ready for fall. They have their table scapes with their warm tones. Very casual. Okay, I will say that I was actually surprised to see the pricing on their dinnerware, their drinkware, their glassware. It was a little bit more than what I was expecting to see at H&M. Just saying. Just saying. I love the variety though. I feel like there's something there for everyone. Whatever your style is, I feel like they had it that day. I love the gold on this collection. And the organic shape of the plate. Very chic. See, that I can expect to be $9.99, but I don't know, guys. I feel like it was priced a little high for H&M Home. Now, these are super cute. This is a salt and shaker set. Lots of marble trays and everything. You guys, their linen is really, really good. All their tablecloths, their napkins, their linen napkins, they were really, really good. in the basket at the bottom. It is kind of looking more green on camera, but I promise you in person, the color was really nice. I actually really like this tray. Cute basket. I don't remember how I felt about the towels. I really don't remember. Okay, this section right here, all the pillow covers. I feel like if you need pillow covers, you need to check out H&M Home. They have so many to choose from, and they're priced really well. They have a lot of boho and very organic style pillow covers, but you guys will see other styles in just a second. Just wait 1 second, it's coming. The candlestick holders, $9.99, that's a really good price. Very modern. Cane box is cute too. This whole little vibe right here, I'm here for it. I love it. I thought their baskets were really nice too. Okay, the black candle, I can't remember what it was, but that one was my favorite. Okay, you guys, pause. This pillow cover right here, very similar to my CB2 pillow. It's the linen one with the leather detail around the border. If you guys like that Caraman collaboration with CB2 pillow, but you want it at a more affordable price and you don't really care for the leather, check out this one right here. It is looking a little bit more white on camera. In person, it's more of an ivory color. But look at it. It's so good. It's such good quality. Check that one out, you guys. And IKEA, who? You guys, let's go back. Pause. They have a large size picture frames. Let me see. This one was, let me go back. This one was a 20 by 28 inch for $24.99. Such a good price. So they have this walnut color frame. They have white and they have black. So if you're in need of some good size frames at a good price and you don't want to go to IKEA, I would definitely check these out right here. These are really nice too. And they have it in the pink, the cream, and a black color. If you guys like that detail, check them out. Seriously, I was impressed with all of their pillow covers. They look so high end. Another pillow cover. This is a velvet. It's like a grayish sage color. It's a good price for that basket. More pillow covers. They had a lot in the store. They had so many to choose from. So here are the picture frames I was talking about. So here are all the different sizes and the different colors they offer. And these right here, these are a West Elm dupe. West Elm has something very similar, but you're gonna pay way more for them. So if you like that style, check out H&M Home. I think this was the only candlestick they had there. I didn't see a price on it. Maybe it was on clearance, but it looks so expensive. This is their baby section, and if you guys have little babies or you know someone that's having a baby, they had really cute stuff in that section. This muslin blanket was really nice too. I wish they had more colors, but they had, it was nice. It was really nice. Yeah, I always feel like these go by so fast, you guys. If you're looking for tablecloths or like napkins or pillow covers, I feel like H&M Home is the place to be at. They have so much to choose from. Now, I was really disappointed that I didn't get to see any of the vases. I know that when they get certain vases in, they're so good. Online, they have a few if you're into that more like organic shape. They have some online, but I was looking forward to seeing some that were a little bit more simple in shape. They had some when I was walking out the store, and I'll pop some pictures or video up. They, I guess, used to sell these. They don't have them anymore. One of the girls was telling me that as soon as they get their vases in, they go really fast. They do have more of a selection online, so I would definitely check out what they have on the website. I do have a small haul, and when I say small, you guys, I mean it's small. The first thing I got is this velvet pillow cover. I have a really small pillow insert, and it's a 16 by 16, and it's really just by my entryway. It goes on a bench. So I wanted to get a cover to replace it, but I just really love the color. On the website, it says it's dark brown, but this is, it's almost like a camel color. Well, actually, maybe it's like a camel color, but it's not too warm. It's not too cool tone. It's just like the perfect brown for my house. And I went online to see if they have this in a bigger size, and they don't, you guys. This one is currently on back order as well. So I'll pop in, actually I'll have the link down below if you guys are interested, but just keep in mind that this is a smaller size. This is 16 by 16. So if you have a petite couch and you're layering with also a larger size pillow, I think that it would be just fine. The velvet is really soft. It's soft going one way, the other way, it's not as soft as my pillows that I own from CB2 or even my Home Goods velvet pillows. I think that they are still really good quality. It's thick and they look like they cost more than $9.99. They also sell the pillow inserts if you guys are in need of those, but I think it's such a good idea to get more affordable pillow covers and then just switch out your pillow covers seasonally, or if you want to, you know, switch things up, you want to switch your colors around, just kind of keeps things fresh, fun, and new. And then the last thing I got, I saw these kind of like a beige nude colored candlesticks. I love using candlesticks, and I want to play with different tones, and I think these are going to go on my coffee table when I switch things up. I love switching things up on my coffee table. It's like my favorite place right now to style. So yeah, these were $2.99. All right, so that is the haul. Let me know what you guys think about H&M Home. Was there anything that caught your eye? Could you see yourself getting anything from there? What did you think of the store? I am curious to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also check out Factor. I will have the link down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.